fucking raining. What's good, y'all? So, got my dice in the way, god damn it. So Tyson asked me to do a little focus on, I can't even do this, cut this. All right, I was trying to fucking do a little intro on my dash, but I got these big ass fucking dice, but I love them, so I can't take them off. But what's good? So Tyson told me to put a little focus on my car. I relocated the fuel system. This is like the early stages of it. And yeah, it's just part of the process of getting this piece of shit back to working good and looking even better, so. It's loud as fuck, so I am kind of battling with the idea of doing like a nice muffler or something, but all I know for a fact I'm gonna bang it off and it's gonna get all dented up, so we'll probably just keep the straight pipe because it's the easiest thing to have on this car right now. So yeah, so it's very messy right now, but this is just kind of like square one. But got the gas tank, we got it strapped down right now, we got the toolbox, jack, all the essentials. But soon here in a few weeks we're gonna be upgrading to a cell, that way I can allow room for a sub. But yeah, this is where I actually feel it. This is a shit show right now. But like I said, just a work in progress. Started phase one. Got a new exhaust now. It's just a Vibrant, like off of a little custom, like build your own exhaust kit homie gave me. We're on Swifts now. Yeah. We're not doing that bad.
Fucking monkey bars on that shit.
Dude, that's kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie.
He's just cruising on the fucking shoulder.
I wouldn't mind one of those. Have you seen the ones that have like a little hydraulic cylinder on them so you can like drop them down? Yeah. I would do that shit, bro. Getting into bikes.
What the? Yeah, dude, we're in Missouri right now.
Oh yeah.
Knocked that top part out of it, broke it.
Good old German class.
It was a rough one. We were doing a pull too.